Each weekend in the summer I enjoy taking a ride in my Wolverine boat on Indian Lake. These boats are best used and enjoyed instead of stored in pristine shape in a garage. On a beautiful September morning I am getting ready to take my parents out for a ride in my 1955 Wolverine boat. Indian Lake is smooth early in the morning. As usual, the trusty 1955 Route 25 fires right up. We let her warm up before going out. I love the way my boat schemes across the lake. The motor purrs like a kitten. We cruised through a canal connecting a chain of islands and were surprised to see a baby hippo in a dinghy. Indian Lake is full of surprises. We see lots of classic wood boats on the weekends at the lake. Many, plus others from the tri-state area, come to our annual classic boat and car show at the harbor in Russell's Point. Thanks to everyone for sharing my early morning ride on Indian Lake. Hope to see you on the lake.